Hello, this is Goodwin demonstration session on how to enter hotel prices into the system. No doubt that each hotel and each country have its own specialties when it comes to contracts. Therefore, these sessions will be as generalized as possible, and all the questions you might have left you will be able to discuss individually through our customer support tracking system. Let's proceed. To add, edit, or delete hotel contracts, you will need access to the Pricer section of Goodwin system. This is where all the hotel contracts are stored. On the dashboard, you can see the last modified contracts and promotions. Please note, in order to be able to add hotel contract, you need two things. First, hotel needs to be created as an object in catalog section. And second, a supplier with a global contract needs to be created in orders suppliers section. After that, there are two ways to add a hotel contract. First, you can search hotel by its name using a search bar in the left upper corner of the screen. Please note that you can only search by name hotels that are public. As you can see, the drop-down list of all existing hotels by its name. And the second way, you can use this menu. If you don't see the country you need, it means that there are no available suppliers with active global contract for this country. So, first, you click on the country, then on the needed city, and you can see list of all hotels created in this city. Gray color means hotel has no contract at all. Yellow, hotel has a contract that is expired by date. And finally, green color means that there is a valid contract available. To add a new hotel contract, click on hotel's name. Under Other Suppliers, you will see all available suppliers, the ones that have an active global contract for this country. So you select the needed supplier and click on Add Hotel Contract button. In case there is a supplier in the system but no global contract, you can add it on this page rather than go to supplier section. So, here in the selector, you can see the list of all the suppliers. You select the one you need, click Add, and you see a global contract editing page. So you put name, then you select a default currency and default children age. Then you save and then press again Pricer or Home to come back. And now, if you click on the hotel, you can see the supplier among available ones. It is possible to add more than one contract to a single hotel. For example, if you have different rates for different markets. So, if you click on Green Hotel that already has a valid contract, You can see the contract itself. Also, if you need, you can delete it from here. And under the contract, you can see another suppliers with global contracts and add another supplier's contract. So after you press add hotel contract, you find yourself in hotel contract first tab. And if you go back or you click all contracts, you can see that there are 2 contracts now. So if you need to add another contract to this hotel, the algorithm is the same. But please note, as it's important, if you have more than one contract for the same dates, they need to be linked to different suppliers. Otherwise, it's duplicates and it's incorrect. So this is all you need to know about creating or deleting the hotel contracts in Goodwin system. Thank you for attention.